draw a diagram of orchids.
She likes drawing.
Yes. Now you choose the color. You do not use the common colors, red, pink. If you draw a diagram of flowers, so you choose this kind of colors, orchid colors. Yeah, it's completely different. Now look at this color. See this one? These are called Dendrobium devonianum. See, these petals are so fuzzy. Again, they have 5+1. And these are the state flower of Mizoram.
Okay.
Yeah, it's our neighbor state. This is called state flower of Mizoram, and these are completely endangered species. Means it's not allowed to sell. Anybody want to try to sell these orchids? It's a criminal offense. Yeah, because why
Endangered.
it's not allowed to sell? Because there are lots of reasons. Because these are near to extinct from the nature, and they're growing on the specific habitat, climate. I told you, everything they require is specific. That is the reason. This is butterfly orchid. Now look at this one, Bulbophyllum micranthum. This name is so difficult to remember, no? These are leafless orchid.
Oh no.
They don't have any leaf, even stem also. Only flowers will be there. So, where do they photosynthesis? Where?
Roots.
Yes.
They also have
Because yes, they have also aerial roots, and already this root color is already green. That means photosynthesis in these roots. So chlorophyll in these roots. Compared to other roots, other aerial roots are white color, no?
Correct.
So this is already green color. Now look at this one. This name is so big, but the flowers is so small. This is called Scoianorsis cephalopendaria.
Oh my god.
Your last name is Riya. Only that is very
Yes. Now here we have in the last one, world's smallest orchid, Teniophyllum
where is the
glandulosum.
flower?
Only this much we plant. Again, this is called leafless orchid. Now it's a budding stage. So when it's completely bloom, when it's open, this flower size is only 1.2 mm. Now you just
my
imagine
God.
of the size of the insect.
Oh, what color is it?
It's a light green color. So this is different from that. This is called Aridis multiflora. They have lots of flowers. That's why it's called multiflora. Look at this color also. This is the again foxtail one. Wait, I will show you the original vanilla. Now you try to smell original vanilla. Smell it. Vanilla. You like vanilla ice cream?
Exactly. It is a
Yes.
vanilla.
Yeah, this is the original beans, but this is the last year beans. So we naturally fermented here. Okay, that's all
Thank
about
you.
orchid. Now you click a pictures.
Thank you.
Thank you.